Just in case you have not been convinced that we are living in a clown world yet, just in case you haven't realized that our society is largely being run by a bunch of incompetent people, apparently moments ago, at least at the time of this recording, a Mexican Navy ship just crashed into the Brooklyn Bridge in what might be the most easily avoidable disaster I have ever seen in my entire life. The ship was not moving at a really fast pace. In fact, it looks like it was being carried out by a tugboat. The masts on this ship were so large that it obviously was not going to be able to fit underneath the Brooklyn Bridge, but apparently there was a bunch of incompetent people in charge, and they just crashed right smack dab into the bridge. It almost makes you question, was this on purpose? Because it's hard to believe that people are this stupid, but I know for a fact that people are this stupid. I don't think this was on purpose, to be clear. I think this was an accident, but it's one of those accidents that just make you like scratch your head, like how and why. Even the people watching on the ground, there's all types of different camera angles because everyone could see that this ship was not going to make it under the bridge except for the people on the ship. There were 200 people on board, and like I said, a tugboat was carrying it out to sea. Let's go ahead and roll a couple of clips really quickly, and then I'll be right back with more thoughts.
Into the Brooklyn Bridge. It's totally crashing. Look, the sails are hitting it. Look. Oh my god.
What is going on?
Oh my god.
What is going on?
Oh! Whoa!
Imagine you rent the boat for the night and then it just fucking collapses the second it takes off the dock.
저 이거 무슨 막 행사인가 봐. 오, 깃발 올라온다, 멕시코. 아, 저게 촬영배인가 보다.
Isn't that gonna hit the bridge?
아, 그니까. 어?
Like I feel like...
아.
No, see? Do you see that? It's breaking down. Yeah.
접힌 게 아니라 그냥 부서진 거잖아, 지금.
Okay, so here's the real scary part though, folks. Apparently there was some type of performance going on, and there were entertainers, for whatever reason, they were on the mast of the ship. They were on the mast of the ship dancing around, doing a little performance as the ship crashed into the bridge. So there's videos and photos out there. Sorry. There's videos and photos out there of these people like dangling from the broken mast of the ship. It's really scary stuff. And once again, like I said, it just seems like such an avoidable disaster. And I mean, not only do you have the people aboard the ship, but you got people on the mast. They should have seen that this is not going to clear the bridge. You're not going to make it under the bridge. But they just crashed right into it. People are like dangling, hanging on for their lives. Really crazy stuff. I'm going to show you in just a moment. But first, if you support the channel, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Drop a comment. Share the video. And if you want to take your support one step further, you could always send a Cash App or a Super Thanks. Always greatly appreciated. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and roll this footage, and then I'll be right back.
Holy crap. We're gonna hit the dock. The camera! What is going on? Oh, what? Dude, the bridge is shaking out there. We gotta keep moving. This is insane. Holy crap. Dude, there's people up there. There's literally people. This is insane.
All going outside. Oh my gosh. Samantha, I would say let's try to get away from the bridge because just imagine.
Now, as of right now, at least at the time of this recording, it's unclear of how many people have been injured, if anyone was killed. We're still waiting on those details. I know there are some search and rescue efforts underway, so I think some people may have fallen in the water. But once again, this is breaking news at the time that I'm recording this. By the time you're watching this, there may be more details out there, and I'll update you as those details come in. But for now, you guys, let me know what you think about this down in the comments below. While you're down there, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe, ring that notification bell, and I'll talk to you all very soon in the next one.